Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today I have the amazing high and low kit designed by Brandi Kincaid for Feed Your Craft to share with you today. So let's just dive right in. Let's start with the cards. So you get 3x4 and 4x6 cards. So let's take a look at each one of those. So this one says, "Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life." That's a Prince quote in this really gorgeous purpley color. And then, of course, there are florals, because it would not be a Brandi Kincaid kit without florals. Beautiful florals. This one says, "Keep going," with all the shoes. Another beautiful floral. A print in blue. I really love this one. A journaling card with 1, 2, 3, 4 in gray. Another either journaling card or a place to put a photo. This one that says "Almost There." It's all in how you look at it with a pair of glasses. Oops, there. Mood. I need to print like 10 of these. Another card for either journaling or for a place to put your photo with a little floral. And this really beautiful kind of jade green color. And then "Whisper words of wisdom, let it be." Okay, those are the 3x4 cards. Let's take a look at the 4x6 cards. So this one says, "So plant your own gardens and decorate your soul instead of waiting for someone else to bring you flowers." Another kind of daisy floral print. "High and Low," which is of course the name of the kit. A really gorgeous blue with a big spot for a photo or journaling or both. Some little cars. These are super adorable. And some plants. Then of course there is the stamp set that comes with the kit. So there are some really great phrases on here that you can kind of mix and match. It says, "Step by step, can't nobody hold me down, up, I'll wait here." There's a little 2 there. "Climb, surviving, watch me grow, today is your day, high and low, not, thriving, growing pains, time for, we go high, plant and prune." And then there are also these really adorable little plants and a hanging plant and a little shears. So perfect for spring, for starting gardens and even house plants if you don't have a garden. And of course, just the very idea of getting by and going through life one step at a time. So really love this stamp set. I'm super excited to actually get to use this on some pages. Finally, the other thing that you get is a cut apart sheet, which I have already cut apart. There are some little labels and icons and circles and phrases. So I'm just going to lay this out for you. Of course, you can use a die cutting machine to cut these apart, but I just cut them by hand just because I like the process of fussy cutting things. I find it relaxing and a little bit therapeutic. So that's what I did. And then it also gives you the choice of how close you want to cut them. So if I'm cutting it by hand, then I can decide, like for this one, I didn't want there to be a white border on it. For the little circles, I used punches for these. So I didn't want there to be a white border on them either. But for the things like the phrases, I decided to leave a white border. I just feel like I have more control over how I choose to do things when I cut them by hand. But look at all these adorable plants. Aren't they just the cutest? I'm so excited to use these. They are going to be so much fun. Lots of fun things to use here in the cut apart sheet. So that is the gorgeous high and low kit designed by Brandi Kincaid for Feed Your Craft, available in the shop now. If you'd like to see how I use this kit, stay tuned to my channel. I have a post coming up very soon.